Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Cocos. In my previous video, I was showing you how Cocos was breaking out a very long-term resistance line, and now on the long-term weekly time frame chart, it has completely broken out this resistance. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to begin with my most recent trade signal of Cocos that I shared with my members almost 10 hours ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Cocos formed with US dollar pair. And by the way, this was the idea that I shared almost 10 hours ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley setup. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied up to 14%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal regardless. And by the way, when I shared this idea at that time, Cocos was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down from here for the completion of this leg, and then we can buy it within this buying range, and then we can expect a powerful price reversal from here. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line, exactly as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern, dropped more down, completed this leg here, and then we had a very, very powerful reversal move. And within next few days, it rallied more than 500%. That was a 500% pump on this daily time frame chart. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart. And here we have been previously following this big falling wedge pattern, and you can see that the price line has finally broken out this long-term falling wedge pattern a few weeks ago here. And by the way, in the month of November 2022, it broke out this resistance, then retested this previous support at 50 cents. That is, by the way, a very, very long-term support. You can see since after January 2021, it is working as a very, very strong support. And now it has recently retested this support, and then we had a very nice pump. And by the way, from this support of 50 cents up till this high, you can see it is almost 513% pump. Now, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it broke out this symmetrical triangle that I was showing you in my previous video as well, and now it has formed another symmetrical triangle, and the movement is quite squeezed, and now we are at the very end of this triangle. Therefore, at any time it can break out or break down this triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakdown, then in case of breaking down, it can drop down here at $1.24. And in case of breaking out this triangle, our target to the upside can be approximately at $4.13. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart once again, then after this powerful rally, the price line also has broken out this very, very long-term resistance of $1.90 as well. In my point of view, for example, if the price line breaks down this triangle, then it could test this support of $1.90, and then we can expect another price reversal because it was a very, very long-term resistance. You can see it was working as a powerful resistance since after March 2021, and now finally we have broken it out. Therefore, now there is a probability that after a retest or without a retest as well. If the price line breaks out the triangle, then without retest, it can continue its move to the upside for the long term. By the way, if we take a look at the target, the final target for this breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.